In previous keys, I shared with you the 5 realms where knowledge may be established, conditions understood and set, and wielding or the inducement of change may take place, all resulting in appearance and experience. These 5 realms are the realm of true nature, the realm of frequency, the realm of element, the realm of appearance, and the game realm. Life force prisms into these 5 distinctions. I can also call these 5 realms the 5 deceptions, or rather, 1 truth and 4 deceptions. And truth here simply means unchanging. True nature never changes. It is, I am, we are. The other 4 realms are changeable. In other words, magic may be done in the 4 realms. Humans may be totally immersed in the changeable realms and believe the insanity that they have been lost and imprisoned. Many deliberate wisdoms and paths, including the path of the magician, remind us that we still are our true nature. Please do not think of this as a recovery. There's no distance or time or method or qualification you have to engage in order to be your true nature. You already are. It's just there. You may simply release your belief in the insanity. The 5 realms may also be called the 5 realities. Now, some of you, especially if you have not listened to previous lessons, may be confused as to why I can refer to the realms as both deception and reality. The non-magical paradigm says that deception is on the one hand and reality is on the other. So let's dive into that a bit here. Non-magical paradigm says that some things in the universe are essential and we must discover them. These essentialities are unchanging and always the case from any point of view, and thus true and real. Magical understanding says that there is only one essential, and that is true nature and life force. Everything else we are experiencing is a deception or distinction or change from that true nature. Everything else appearing and being experienced is something drawn on canvas. That's not a metaphor. The universe, including this earth, is actually a canvas, device, and program. That is what it is. So we may use the term deception, which in magical understanding is a neutral term. Deception may carry harm, but it may also simply be the childlike joy of make-believe and artisanal expression. The word realm has the word real in it. Also think of the word realization. And realization is a process of cause and change, i.e., magic. So to be real is to have become real, which means that there was change induced. What is real is the culmination of magic. What is real is what was realized. The fruit is realized from the seed. So to say real is not to say essential and unchanging. It is to say what was changed and became and is temporary. It will come and it will pass. What is real may, yes, be seen, be experienced, be immersed within in the present, but it's not so real that it can't be changed again according to the preference or simply the magic winds of the world. Does that make sense? In the previous few videos, I've been sharing about sensations and your magical practice regarding sensation. Understand that your recognition of the 5 realms is not mental logic or belief. That recognition is sensation, the sensation of frequency, the sensation of element, the sensation of appearances and property, the sensation of enchantment. Your connection, your being with all 5 realms in distinction and in fusion is sensated. You hear, connect, and transmit in and by sensation. Sensation is your awareness of conditions and language within the 5 realms and the forms that have arisen in the realms. We'll talk more in the future about the distinctive sensations of the 4 changeable realms. At this point, the emphasis of your practice is knowing yourself and your body and what reveals there for you. And secondarily, the sensations that have to do with your chosen art, and which may, after all, have an emphasis in one realm or another. Today, I'm going to remind you of the sensation of true nature. Purification may be thought of as the recognition of one's true nature, although purification allows recognition of all the realms as well. To say neutrality and emptiness and to release debris, we find that neutrality is not so neutral and is not so empty. We become neutral and empty from debris, but we are not neutral or empty of ourselves, nor of our mother. Neutrality is not a state of starvation, but a state of being fed. Neutrality and emptiness do not mean unfeeling or sensationless. The sensation of true nature and life force is a hum of well-being. It is a sensation of trust. This sensation is not something that you have to generate or make or cause or even can. The universe is already humming. The universe has already hummed you. If you say, well, I can't feel that, 3 things. 1, you haven't done anything wrong. And 2, you'll get there. You're still novice. I repeat, the hum of well-being is already there. It's not missing. The only change will be your ability to hear, to recognize that sensation. You release the debris that constitutes your deafness. And 3, if you are truly suffering in life, I remind you that magic cannot be relied on to release you from suffering. You need a healing path. Magic is not a healing path. It's an artisanal path. I grant you that you deserve to find your peace in the healing paths that are available in the earth so that you can find relief from suffering. I put my arms around you, and I hope that for you so much. This ability to touch the hum of well-being should not be the thing that you hurt yourself with or assign worth to yourself with. This sensation of well-being is a knowledge and wielding principle, not a happiness principle per se. I like the word hum, but it bespeaks of whisper. It turns out life force is loud. During your daily sensory rest and sensory practice sessions, during your village walks, during your focus within your art, during anywhere, the music of life is ever present. While this hum of well-being is not a sound as such, you may wish to do a training practice of humming sound with your throat. Move the vibration of the throat hum throughout your body. You may also kind of aim or direct or throw out the hum around your space or your village, just for fun. See what sensation that is. You may notice that the distance you can throw sound hums has nothing to do with the loudness of the hum. And it's not about other people hearing at this point. It's simply exploration regarding sensation within you. You being life force, and every appearance surrounding you being the same life force. Become full of the song of your mother, empty of anything that is not her voice. Mother, where are you? I am here, child. Mother, I remember myself as your child, and I remember all your children. There is a spell, you may say, that is called Leeloo's blessing. As you speak it, you will taste the unchanging hum of joy. Wind blows, fire burns, rain falls, earth turns, love within all.